Welcome to Nomad High Income Skills, episode 214. I'm Aria Reyes. Today, you'll learn exactly how to run a paid 2-hour conversion workshop that turns attendees into 8K plus retainers, so you can attract better clients and build sustainable high income. Here's the common problem I hear from nomads every week. Too many discovery calls, low close rates, and a calendar that eats your traveling energy. You trade hours for uncertain revenue, sleep badly, and grind through follow-ups that never land. What if you could flip that? One focused, paid 2-hour workshop that proves ROI live and turns a fraction of attendees into premium retainers. That's what we're covering today. In the next 9 minutes, you'll get a 3-step blueprint you can actually run this month. Step 1, positioning and audience filters. Step 2, a repeatable delivery framework that demonstrates ROI on the spot. Step 3, a low-touch paid follow-up and conversion flow that respects your Nomad schedule. I'll give sample scripts, pricing ranges, an application funnel, and a real Nomad case study who converted a $99 ticket workshop into a recurring $12K per month retainer. Let's get into it. Section 1. What a paid conversion workshop is and how to position it so you only attract buyers. At its core, a paid conversion workshop is a short, tightly scripted session you charge for because payment signals commitment. When people pay, they show up prepared, they value your time, and they're emotionally invested in the outcome. That changes the sales dynamic. You don't start with trust. You create trust by proving measurable ROI in session. Start with a narrow target. Don't be everything to everyone. Example positioning. 2-hour paid workshop, a 90-day revenue roadmap for SaaS founders doing 5K to 20K MRR. That line tells who, what, and result. Ticket price. Set a minimum perceived value anchor, typically $49 to $199 for discovery-style workshops if you're starting, or $199 to $499 for more specialized audits. For nominal fee, you get commitment without excluding qualified buyers. Use an application funnel to pre-qualify. 3 short questions: current monthly revenue, biggest growth constraint, and what they'll do if the workshop helps. Sample landing copy. Space limited. This 2-hour workshop is for founders ready to convert product demos into predictable 8K plus retainers. Apply now. We accept only candidates who complete the pre-work. That language protects price perception and filters out tire kickers. Section 2, Delivery Framework, a repeatable structure that proves ROI and funnels the right attendees toward paid follow-up. Use a 2-hour template, 30 minutes of ROI demo, 40 minutes of strategic framework, 30 minutes of mini audits and Q&A, and 20 minutes reserved for closing with next step offers. The ROI demo is the centerpiece. Show a before and after on a real metric: traffic to revenue, demo to paid conversion, or average contract value. Use AI to prepare live snapshots. Plug attendee examples into a pre-built spreadsheet or AI prompt to create instant revenue estimates. That live calculation is persuasive because it's specific and actionable. After a mini audit, say, based on what we just mapped, I see 3 paths that add 8K to 20K in recurring revenue within 90 days. If you want me to build the exact roadmap and manage the first 90 days, I'll offer a productized retainer. I'll share pricing and a simple next step. No long discovery calls, just a short proposal based on today's findings. Section 3, Paid follow-up, conversion flow, and scaling without burning out. After the workshop, offer productized follow-ups. A paid deep dive audit, $499 to $2,000 depending on complexity, or a turnkey 90-day proposal starting at $8K per month. Deliverables should be asynchronous: a recorded, personalized walkthrough, a concise 2 to 3 page proposal tied to the ROI shown in session, and a single 30-minute decision call if needed. Keep the sequence short. Send the audit within 48 hours, proposal within 72, then a single calendar link for a 30-minute decision call.
This respects your travel schedule and dramatically reduces time spent on long sales cycles.
Real Nomad example. Samira, a copywriter and conversion strategist traveling in Portugal, ran a $99 workshop with these exact elements. She limited seats to 18, required a 2-minute pre-work form, and used a simple AI template to calculate likely revenue lifts for each attendee. Of 18 paid attendees, 3 committed to a $12K per month retainer. That's 1 in 6. Key tweaks she used while traveling: she recorded 1 repeatable ROI demo, delegated mini audits to a vetted contractor with a template, and used asynchronous video proposals so she never extended real-time selling hours, turned a single weekend into stable recurring revenue, and reclaimed travel time.
Scaling without burnout is about replacing live labor with productized assets. Create AI prompts for the ROI snapshot, standardize the mini audit template, and have a canned proposal document that you personalize with 3 lines. Reuse recorded clips from every workshop as short social proof highlights. When demand grows, delegate the audit execution and keep the final decision call for yourself. Set hard weekly limits, 2 live workshops maximum, and turn occasional repeats into a recorded masterclass for lower touch funneling. Immediate action step. 1 minute you can do right now. Pick your workshop title, price, and a single audience filter. Use this template. Title: 2-hour revenue snapshot. How SaaS founders at 5K to 20K MRR can add 8K plus per month in 90 days. Price: $99 to start. Audience filter: 3 required application fields: current MRR, biggest growth constraint, and commitment to a 90-day budget. Paste that into a simple landing page or calendar description, set a limit of 12 to 18 seats, and promote with 1 targeted post or a small ad campaign. Book the date before the month ends and commit to delivering it once. That small step starts the momentum. If you want the full workshop pack, templates, email sequences, AI prompts, proposal files, and a step-by-step launch checklist, I built a short course that packages everything you heard today into copy and paste assets. Test the 2-hour workshop this month. Charge what you're worth, protect your time, and watch how paid commitment changes the sales math. Your skills are your freedom currency. That's your high-income blueprint for today. Take 1 action this week and start seeing results. I'm Arya Reyes. Until next time, build income that supports your lifestyle, not destroys your health.